Welcome back. Well, a nice mild one today, but lots of clouds and some rainy weather making it awfully dreary, and that's the way it's going to go through this evening. Sharp changes this weekend, a shot of winter on the way. It's going to be a brief one, and then we start warming up. But temperatures approaching the freezing mark for northern parishes of Acadiana for tomorrow night, Sunday morning, and then again Sunday night into Monday morning. And most of us may have a chance of a frost come Monday morning as well. So let's take a look at the big picture here as we look at the water vapor imagery, and there's that upper level low energizing the subtropical jet stream. But this time around, we're kind of missing out on big rains. No complaints here. Interestingly enough, 10 days ago, this looked like it was going to be a severe weather event, and you know, that's how models change over time. That's why we don't talk about severe weather events beyond usually 5 or 6 days. Another big storm system out here in the west, keeping snow going across the Pacific Northwest and the Sierra Nevada. Big storm system here. Also, though, pretty good looking ridge of high pressure centered right over Billings right now. This is the high pressure that's going to be moving and racing southward through Saturday and Saturday evening and Sunday morning. So there's going to be a chill in the air as this ridge moves over the snow-covered mountains of the Rockies and then makes a beeline for the Gulf Coast. So a little bit of a winter reprise for portions of Acadiana. Not a major one, but certainly we're talking close to a light freeze. You have winter weather advisories in the west, more winter storm warnings in the northeast. Same storm system is producing more rain to our north and snow, so several inches of snow likely for portions of the mid-Atlantic. Meanwhile, here's our front off to the north. It's up by the Arklatex. Rains across the area, mostly light rains. They're a little bit more moderate as expected out in the Gulf of Mexico. And as we put things in motion, you can see everything's moving generally from the west-southwest to the east-northeast, and this is going to continue through the nighttime hours. Not forecasting a whole lot of rain, but occasionally there'll be enough rain to wet the ground, and if it's not raining to wet the ground, it'll be misty, a little foggy out there as well. Power Doppler 3 indicating much of that going on across the area, where some cases we are seeing some more moderate rains down toward coastal St. Mary Parish into the marsh, but most of us just patchy light rain, and it's going to go that way through this evening. Here comes the front. We're stopping it right around 2 a.m. Both the HRR and the graph model are predicting temperatures in the 60s before the front. Notice winds out of the west, and boom, they go out of the north. Temperatures plummet down through the 40s, and they stay in the 40s. It's going to be a windy and cold day, and tomorrow night we drop down into the low to mid 30s for most of Acadiana, and then Sunday afternoon, at least the sun will be back out by Sunday morning. We'll see temperatures rebounding back into the mid 50s. Sunday night, Monday morning, back down into the low to mid 30s, but after that we see a warm up into next week. Winds, there's the front. You can see it showing up quite clearly at 2 a.m. Then winds gusting to about 30 during the course of the day tomorrow. Those winds don't relax through a good part of tomorrow evening, so wind chill a factor Saturday night, and by Sunday morning those winds beginning to die down. Now, as for temperatures, you see those temperatures dropping down into the 40s, stay in the 40s all day long, wind chills in the 30s, and then temperatures tomorrow night low to mid 30s north, mid 30s south, and then as we head into Sunday we'll see mid 50s for your high. Wind chill factor, yeah, it's going to be a factor for sure with those gusty north winds. Wind chills here, we're stopping it at noon tomorrow. Wind chills during the day, mostly in the mid to upper 30s, and then tomorrow night, the wind chills, not the temperature, but the wind chills will drop down into the upper 20s to lower 30s for Sunday morning. So got to get out the winter weather gear for just one more weekend. May have another chance at 30s, once again, lower 30s later this month, but that would not be unusual. So mild, misty with light showers this evening. Strong front arrives after midnight around 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures dropping sharply, and then a windy day for tomorrow with cloudy skies persisting. 49, that's going to be our temperature probably at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. That'll be the high for the day, and then temperatures mostly in the mid 40s during the day. 35 in Lafayette, that means lower 30s and near freezing for the northern parishes. 34 for Monday morning, upper 50s, back into the 60s Monday, mid 70s Tuesday, upper 70s Wednesday, Thursday. Another front arrives, but it's a weak one, not much weather with it, and we'll carry that into the weekend with more spring temperatures to follow down the line. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.